I kinda wanna throw my phone across the room, 'cause honestly, a girl's too good to be true. With paper white teeth and perfect bodies, wish I did